Are you looking for the best ring lights? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best ring lights on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Razer ring light. This 12-inch Razer ring light does everything you could possibly want. The one downside to it is that it's only powered via USB, but that isn't the end of the world, especially considering how good the light quality is. They haven't skimped on build quality either. Unlike a lot of ring lights, the Razer feels very sturdy and reliable. There are cheaper and brighter options out there, along with the more expensive, albeit wireless, LumeCube cordless 12' ring light, but I think this strikes the perfect balance of portability, brightness, and price. It's a fantastic 12-inch ring light, perfect for video conferencing, vlogging, or streaming, and you won't regret your purchase, unless your partner starts stealing it for work calls, like mine did. Number 2. LumeCube Ring Light Pro. This ring light earns its Pro designation with distinction. At 17 inches in diameter, it's an inch smaller than the LumeCube wireless ring light below, but it gives you a half-hour more battery life, and the new light stand is a half-foot higher. The new remote control is a godsend for lighting yourself without having to keep getting up and down, and the improved diffusion is a dream for lighting portrait subjects. The quality of light is also absolutely spot on, which is particularly important for creators shooting content such as makeup tutorials. So everything about this light is premium, though that also includes the price tag, which stands at $60 more than the wireless model, which, in itself, is over $100 more than the lower grade but still great Razer ring light. If performance is paramount, this is the way to go, and this is my go-to ring light when I need to do any proper photography or videography. If budget is a factor, though, LumeCube or Razer's alternatives may be more up your alley. Number 3. Neo Ring Light Kit 18 inches. Neo's 18-inch option offers a good degree of versatility, from a trusted name, at a price that won't break the bank. The light packs 55 watts of power and offers bicolor 5600K or 3200K temperature, the latter via a clip-on filter, with dimmable brightness via the analog adjustment dial. As you'd expect from Neo products, the ring light is well built and comes with an adjustable light stand, phone clip, carry case and Bluetooth remote. This is a great investment for those of you who are YouTubers, makeup artists, whatever you may be doing that will require you to use great lighting for an affordable price, says YouTuber Ativamery 4400, whose review has been watched over 500,000 times. I definitely recommend this ring light. Number 4. LumeCube Wireless Ring Light. The LumeCube Wireless Ring Light might seem overpriced, but it has a lot of really great features compared to others. The light itself is really bright, and you can either run it off mains power or for up to 90 minutes on batteries, which are supplied. It also includes an LED readout to monitor your settings, and it comes with a sturdy 6.5 feet light stand. It's an 18-inch ring light, which makes it perfect for shooting portraits or filming videos. As it's wireless, you can use it on location or in the studio, which makes it a great option if you want to be able to do both. The one drawback is that, if you're looking for a ring light to shoot flat lays or unboxing videos, I'm not convinced that the plastic mounting bracket is going to last. But if you're using it in a normal upright position, look no further, and if you're looking for a smaller wireless alternative, check out the 12-inch LumeCube cordless 12' ring light. Number 5. Rotolite Ultimate Vlogging Kit. The Rotolite RL48B Stealth was one of my favorite portable ring lights in years past, but disappeared from the market a while ago. Now it's back in an all-in-one kit, which also includes a Rotolite mini tripod, stand adapter, phone clip and accessory bar, making it the perfect partner for a tabletop smartphone setup. While this kit is geared towards phones, the RL48 is also an ideal on-camera light for traditional cameras. I've always found the Rotolite Neo 3 below too unwieldy for a hot shoe, but this smaller model is just the right size, though this kit doesn't include a foot for the shoe, and the hole in the middle is perfect to poke a microphone through. Number 6. Rotolite Neo 3. Okay, so technically the Rotolite Neo isn't actually a ring light, but it is round and it works really well because it isn't donut shaped. The light won't be as soft and the catch lights in the eyes won't be as round, but it does have other advantages. Hybrid photographers shooting stills and video often need both a flash gun and a constant lamp for lighting, doubling up on the kit they need to carry. The Rotolite Neo 3 serves both purposes and, while just about small enough to mount on a camera's hot shoe, it delivers powerful constant lighting and almost twice its maximum output in flash mode, though it's still not as powerful as a traditional flash gun. If power is what you want, though, along with the ability to use color gels and presets designed by leading photographers and Emmy-winning cinematographers, I can highly recommend checking out their, even pricier, Rotolite Neo 3 Pro. Number 7. Xinbehong Clip-On Selfie Light. For those moments when you only need a little light, these very little lights from Xinbehong are perfect. In fact, they're so small you can pretty much keep them on you at all times in a pocket or a bag. They can be attached to your laptop, tablet or phone so long as it's 18mm or thinner. They're great for taking on nights out so you can capture well-lit selfies, on holiday or even when traveling away from home so that you can FaceTime loved ones no matter how much light is around you. Everything that Xinbehong does is all in the name of portability, without sacrificing performance, says Gadget Review in its verdict. Its design is small and compact, making it easy to stick in your pocket, and there are plenty of LED lights to brighten your face for several hours.